All right, so we got the package here. I guess this is just a contact card for a grit shift, I guess. Wonder if that promo code gives me any kind of discount or something. All right, whatever. All right, see they sent some swag, some stickers. Pretty cool. Cool little sticker. Little mini one. I put that one on my computer. And a nice little keychain. Cool. Sweet. All right, let's get on to the fun stuff. Oh yeah, I like it already. I love it already. Yeah, that's gonna look way better on the front of the bike than that stock light. It's plug and play. Don't have to worry about messing with any wires, man. Plugs directly into the stock Surround wiring. Solid unit, man. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty easy install. Should mount directly to the bracket that the stock light is on. I just can't wait to see how bright it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing installed and show you guys the light. Yes, sir. Good looking out, good chef. Appreciate the swag, bros. All right. Oh, hold on, one more thing. I actually got another goodie coming from Grit Shift. They make a kill switch for your light, so you can turn your light on and off. But I actually got the 3-way, so it allows you to turn your brake light off too. So you can turn your headlight and brake light off while the bike is on. So say if you're late night creeping or something, you just don't want to be seen. Pretty cool little something I'll use. All right. Anyways, I'll show you guys what's going on once I get this thing mocked up and installed. All right. All right, guys, we're back. Time to put on my cool new headlight. This is stock. This is the new. I think it'll be way sexier. Looks way better. All right, let's just look and see how bright this stock light is before we take this thing off for good. If anybody wants it, giving it away for free before it lands in the trash can. All right, that's the stock light. It's not that bad. I just don't really like it. It looks kind of dorky to me, so we're gonna go with something cooler. All right, so that's the stock light. And basically to do this, man, it's pretty simple, man. Just like any other thing. Get these 2 bolts out. You gotta follow the light line down. Unplug it. Plug this one in. Run the line back. Put this on there. I don't really see a need in filming all that, especially the fact that I only have 2 hands. And if you don't understand that, you probably shouldn't be working on your Surround. So let me get this buttoned up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, got the bolts out, stock light disassembled. Once again, like I said, just follow the line. Comes right around here. This is the line. Stock plug. Take it out. Plug the new one in. Really simple stuff. All right, just wanted to show you that just in case anybody didn't get that last little bit I said. But yeah, it's really simple. All right, I'll be back once I do it. Leave my hands. Bye-bye, little ugly man. Yeah. I'd say that's a win. I like that way better. Don't mind my slightly crooked bracket, light bracket. It was bent when my nephew dropped my bike, but what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the light back off and give me a nice pair of pliers or a hammer or something, straighten it out as best I can. But yeah, it definitely looks a lot better. I'll show it to you while they're off. It just looks a lot more cool, I guess, than the stock one. Yeah, I like that. Yep, so that's the Grit Shift blinder LED headlight installed. Definite upgrade over stock. Looks cool as hell. All right, man. I don't think I have any more parts to throw on this thing for right now, but soon come. Oh yeah, GPS is next, so stay tuned for the next videos. I'm gonna show you guys what I plan to do for GPS. There's a couple options out there, like the Inboxia and a couple other things, but I'm not really feeling paying for a subscription, so I have a solution, and once it comes in Amazon or FedEx, I will be unboxing and showing you what I plan to do with it. That's pretty cool. All right, man, till next time. Yeah, once again, recap, this is the Grit Shift blinder LED headlight for Surron X and Segway X260. We out.